Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by heating an empty stainless pan. This changes the metal's surface so food won't grab. Once the pan is hot and a few drops of water-form beads, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of high-smoke oil and swirl to form a thin, even film. Make sure to heat before oil so the oil wets metal uniformly. This step creates a temporary polymerized layer. It's the only way to reduce initial sticking for proteins and vegetables when you first contact the surface. Once the oil shimmers, you must match temperature to the food. For steaks or chicken, bring protein closer to room temp and pat dry so moisture won't steam. For vegetables, use steady medium-high. Make sure to avoid crowding so the surface stays hot. Place items away from you to prevent splatter, then resist frequent flipping. Food releases naturally when a brown crust has formed. This combination of dry surface, correct heat, and patience prevents tearing and sticking during You finish by lowering heat before adding butter or sauce so they won't burn. Finish flavors off heat and spoon over the food. If something sticks unexpectedly, do not pry. Add a splash of hot stock, wine, or water and let it loosen, then scrape gently with a spatula. If sticking recurs, reheat the pan, add more oil, and moderate the temperature next time. This troubleshooting ensures you learn the pan's behavior and achieve consistent non-stick results with stainless steel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.